Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best magnetic wall light on the market. The Brightown LED magnetic wall sconce lights, available in a convenient 2-pack. If you're searching for a versatile, rechargeable, and stylish wall-mounted light, this product might just be the perfect fit for your home. The Brightown LED magnetic wall sconce is designed with multi-functionality in mind. Not only does it serve as an elegant wall sconce, but it also doubles as a portable flashlight thanks to its magnetic base. The installation is incredibly easy and damage-free, utilizing 3M adhesive technology that securely sticks to your wall without leaving any marks. If you prefer a more permanent setup, screws are also included, giving you flexibility in how you mount these lights. One of the standout features is the 360-degree rotation magnetic ball joint. This allows you to adjust the light to any angle you desire, whether you need it focused upwards, downwards, or sideways. Plus, because the light detaches from its mount magnetically, you can effortlessly take it off the wall to use as a handheld flashlight. This makes it perfect for travel, camping, or even creative uses like DIY projects and decorations. Controlling the Brightown wall lights is super convenient. You have two options: button control directly on the lamp or full remote control. The remote offers complete access to all settings, including turning the light on or off, switching between 3 lighting colors: warm, cool, and natural light, adjusting brightness levels, and setting timers with 4 different options. This allows you to tailor the lighting exactly to your needs without ever having to get up from your seat. Powered by a rechargeable battery, these lights operate on a 5-volt system and come with a USB Type-C charging cable. The battery life is designed to last through extended use, and when it's time to recharge, simply remove the light from the magnetic base and plug it in. No wiring or complicated installation is necessary, which is a huge plus for renters or those who want to avoid drilling holes. The build quality is a combination of metal and durable acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, giving the light a sleek, modern appearance in black. Its compact dimensions make it unobtrusive but bright enough to provide up to 90 lumens of illumination. Whether you place it in a bedroom, hallway, closet, study, or even bathroom, it offers efficient, energy-saving LED lighting that enhances any space. Each package includes 2 rechargeable LED magnetic wall sconce lights, 2 light bases, 4 screws, 3M sticky adhesive strips, a remote control, a USB charging cable, and an instruction manual to guide you through setup and use. To sum it up, the Brightown LED magnetic wall sconce lights are an excellent blend of style, functionality, and convenience. The cordless design, combined with adjustable lighting options and easy installation, makes these sconces a versatile solution for modern indoor lighting needs. Whether you want accent lighting, emergency lights, or portable illumination, these lights cover all bases. If you're looking for hassle-free lighting that adapts to your lifestyle, this product is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest and detailed product reviews. See you next time.